Hello guys, good evening guys. This is Inday Vlogs TV guys. The mama of Inday Vlogs still come in the evening. Comb your hair. That's it the English comb your hair. Slang, too much slang. Comb your hair, mama of Inday Vlogs.
Too much lies.
Inday Vlogs. Lies? Lies or lies?
Lies.
Oh, too much lies. This girl guys, too much lies.
Wala man. Wala.
Wa.
Kaspa.
Kaspa.
Dandruff.
Only dandruff guys. Only dandruff coming guys. This is the mama of Inday Vlogs TV guys.
Hello.
This is the mother of Inday Vlogs TV.
Mm.
You see?
Yeah.
Too much
See me?
dandruffs. Dandruffs ka.
Ha?
Inday Vlogs is coming.
Basa ko Bible.
Uy, nabasa ba di ka?
Hmm.
Sige daw.
Bible.
Nakabasa
Read
ba ka?
Bible Inday Vlogs TV.
Ang tawa na, nabasa ka.
Inday Vlogs TV guys, read Bible.
Ikaw, lablab ka. Diri, talikod diri.
Hay. Sa mukha kang kuan.
Dito ka magatubang.
Tuo ka? Ha? Tuo na jud.
Ay, wag dyan ka ba ka?
Wala ko iputik.
Dako agbaba guys. Or agbaba stikab.